Mm, I love drinking beer. Oh, that tastes so good. Well, she'll be acting stupid tonight. Oh, Angelica, what should we do right now? Because I'm in the mood for music. Um, deal with your drunk tushy. Melissa, I've done told you not to drink beer, but you did it anyway, and now you're drunk. Oh, hell yes, it's music time for me. Oh, no, Melissa, we're not doing that right now. We need to figure out how to turn you back to normal since you're drunk. Oh man, that's not fair, Angelica. That's not nice. You're not freaking nice, Angelica. What? Oh, great. Here we go with the crying. Melissa, shush your mouth before I knock you out. What? You're gonna knock me out! Oh my god, I should have known better! Yeah, you should have known better, Melissa, and now you're just gonna be a alkie for being drunk. And also, since you're not acting like a total gangster, I might as well go through your tablet. Hey! Get out of my tablet now! That's mine! It's my bestie! My all-time best friend! Get off of there! Oh, what do we have here? I'm gonna look through your boyfriend's text, Moisa. You know what? I'm about to go through your entire tablet, Moisa, to see how you like that. And if you tell me to stop, I ain't going to. No! Get out of there, please! There's nothing important for you to see! You must listen to me! Oh my gosh, doesn't that hurt your head? Ooh! No, that doesn't hurt my head. I think I'm gonna pass out. Hey! What? What do you want? I'm feeling a little bit down, so can we hug and kiss? What? No! No! Have you lost your mind? Go kiss and hug your boyfriend! I'm not your freaking boyfriend! I'm a girl anyway! Go do that to your boyfriend! Oh, okay. I'll do that to my boyfriend. My god, what a freaking weirdo she is.